Hey, what up, people? I hope y'all are good. I have a quick video for all of my iPhone 12 peeps out there. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at Moment's new MagSafe accessories that I think are pretty awesome. Up until recent, the only MagSafe accessories I've seen around were limited to like chargers, wallets, and maybe a fold-out tripod, but nothing super unique. Well, Moment has changed that with their new lineup. For starters, they have their new cases, including the standard iPhone 12 series case. I have the black canvas version right here, but it's also available in walnut wood. Then there is the new thin style case I have in blue, but it also comes in black, yellow, and green. Both of these new cases fully support MagSafe. You can tell by the inside circle right here. These cases are fully compatible with all of Apple's own MagSafe accessories, such as their various chargers and wallet attachment. These cases are also lens ready, so you can easily pop on one of Moment's lenses anytime you want to. So these cases are really nice for sure. But where Moment is taking things to the next level is with their own MagSafe accessory lineup that's specifically designed with their cases in mind. So what we have here is a portrait and landscape tripod adapter with a cold shoe. Then we have a landscape only tripod adapter with a cold shoe. You can tell because it's a lot smaller. This one's a lot longer, so that way it can fit in portrait as well. Then we have a handheld adapter that's going to give you a cold shoe. And then we have the multi adapter, which is my personal favorite. Let me show you how each of these work. So you're gonna take your MagSafe accessory. This is the longer one for portrait and landscape, like I said. And then you're gonna take the case and it will just snap right on, just like that. And now you can take this and mount it to a tripod, like this little tabletop tripod right here. So just screw it on and boom, there you go. So now you have your phone mounted on a little tabletop tripod, which is super convenient for people trying to create content. And if you want to switch it around, one of these. So you're going to rotate that to the side and boom, there you go. And you still have the shoe right here, so you can still mount like a light, such as this one right here. You can easily just attach it. There you go. And then you tighten down this bracket so that way it doesn't tilt or slide out of the way. And there you go. So now you have your phone in portrait for like TikTok videos or Instagram Reels. And then you have a little light right here that can, help light the scene a little bit in case you're underlit. Or if you just need some fill light, there you go. So to give you an example on how the other MagSafe adapter works, let's go ahead and unscrew this one. So this is the one that is to be used in landscape rather than portrait. So we can just screw it on here like so. Now that it's on, we'll take our phone and it just snaps right on. And then we of course have that cold shoe, so we can mount things like a light or a microphone, whatever you want to mount. So let me show you the handheld one. This one's really cool as well. So you could take the handheld adapter here, same thing, just attach it. You'll hear it click on. And there you go. So now you have like a little handheld adapter that you can mount a light to, a microphone, or any other various accessory. And you can just handhold your phone. You don't have to worry about bringing along a tripod. And of course, this cold shoe on all of these can be adjusted, so you can slide it down, you can slide it up. Let me show you how that works. So you can slide it down to adjust it for smaller phones, just like so. Or you can extend it for larger phones like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, last but not least, we have this little guy right here. This is the multi adapter. You can tell it has various threads right here. We have 4 quarter 20s, well, 5 quarter 20s, including the one in the middle, and then a 3/8 by 16. This is really neat because it gives you a ton of potential, mounting it to arms. You can mount it to various car mounts, or I'll show you one little neat trick that you can do with it here in 1 minute. So this, of course, just snaps right onto the back. You can rotate it around how you need to. And then that way it's lined up to whatever hole that you need it lined up with. And of course, you could always just attach this directly to a tripod as well. So if you wanted to use this as like a tripod adapter, you could easily do that just by screwing it into one of the quarter 20s. And then you can use the ball head of the tripod like so. Of course, you're gonna miss out on the cold shoe, but this might be more convenient for some people. And of course, it's super easy to detach it. You just pull it apart. But the connection is really strong. As you can see, it's not falling off whatsoever. So you don't have to worry about the connection breaking, your phone falling off or anything like that. That's one thing I really, really like about how Moment designed their case to go along with these MagSafe accessories. They work flawlessly and that connection is incredible. So let me show you what you can do with this little multi-adapter because it's really, really neat. So if you have a mirrorless, specifically like a Sony mirrorless or a Panasonic mirrorless camera, and you don't own an external monitor, this is a quick fix for you. So take the multi-adapter, snap it onto the back of the case here. Get yourself like a little ball head like this Manfrotto one. You don't have to spend a ton of money on them. They have a bunch of different cold shoe ball heads for like 10 bucks. Just screw it in to the multi-adapter. Get your camera. So I have the A6600 here. And attach it like so. Now, you're going to download an app called Field Monitor. I mean, there's various apps out there that you can use, but I specifically like Field Monitor. It gives you a ton of different features. You do have to pay for it and it's kind of expensive. I think I paid like 15 bucks for it or something like that. So if we go into Field Monitor, after we connect to the Wi-Fi network on the A6600, so we're gonna connect to the A6600 Wi-Fi network, then go into Field Monitor and connect. You can see, boom. And you can see we're now using our phone as like an external monitor. Now there is lag, don't get me wrong, but it's not horrible and it's good enough to get your framing correct, or if you wanna check exposure, you can also load LUTs into the Field Monitor app. And thanks to that adapter on the back of the phone, you can swivel it in any direction, giving you complete flexibility, which is really nice. And of course, when you're done, just pull your phone off and that's it. So it's super convenient, gives you a ton of flexibility, a bunch of universal use with this multi-adapter. And if you're someone that creates a lot of content on their phone, being able to attach your phone to like car mounts and different type of arms or different type of adapters, or if you want to hang your phone from the ceiling or whatnot, you can build on your own extensions if you want to, go by just simply going up to the hardware store and finding various little screws and mounts. So one other thing I want to quickly mention is that if you don't want to use Moment's case and you just want to purchase the MagSafe accessories, it does work without the case. So I have my phone here, of course it's bare, and it will just snap right onto the accessories. The connection is still pretty strong. However, I do like that extra bit of protection that you get with the case. Plus I want to be able to mount their lenses onto the case, which gives you a little bit more creative control over whatever it is you're shooting. I mean, you can get super creative and awesome shots with like their wide angle, their telephotos and anamorphic lenses. It just allows you to take your iPhone videography or iPhone photography to the next level. So I only have these 4 accessories, but Moment did announce 6 in total. The 2 that I don't have are the car mount and the car vent mount. But after using all of these for several days now, I'll definitely be grabbing those other 2 accessories. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for any updates on how I use these accessories, as well as what the car vent mount and wall mount look like once they arrive. Links to all of these things can be found in the description. Personally, I think that if you're serious about smartphone videography or photography and own an iPhone 12 series device, you definitely need to look into these. The flexibility and convenience factor is just, it's amazing. To be honest, when I first saw these accessories, I didn't have high expectations, but after using them, they're almost a necessity for people that create content on their iPhones. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up as it does help out the channel. Make sure to check out my Glide Galaxy S21 giveaway that I have going on by clicking the video around here somewhere. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video.